Ban Pynlong ka jingpynkhreh bat ban shime kila jingarap halor ki jingjia sha penjlor ha ki bor ka maryang kham tam na ki jingkhnyo jumai ka Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority ka District Disaster Management Authority bat katnat Revenue and Disaster Management haringkat ka jingatrilang bat ka National Disaster Management Authority NDMA haga khandai trik rampang kila Pynlong state level mock drill exercise halor ki jingjulor na jumai ba haki artli ki jaka Ri Bhoi district ya kani ka mock drill la Pynlong ningkong ha po shlong airport ha umroi bat hadin ha ms yam distillation private limited EPIP Bernihan kat kum kani ka jingpynkhreh la pan I ka jingjulor ka ba mi na jumai ba ubadan ya ka bor jingklan ka ba 5.r magnitude ubalapan kanyo ya kanong ba shlong bat kabalak ta ru ya kini ki artli ki jaka hapo Ri Bhoi district kani ka drill ka pan inuk sa ya ka jinglong jingman ka baya day bat ki riu pat ba ki bangan ha ki jiman sa bat ki badan kami ki la jing sumar bakir ki kat ba ka pan pawru kumno ki kat to kani ki beriu ki la light how na ki jiman sa namar ka jingdani ki la jingada bat ki lan jingpynkhreh ban light na ki ding jingja basungsi kat bagi record na katanat kulit katanat penlibding kidang bon kam haka bapelat im yaki beriu basakun haka ni ka mock drill tasa khiru ya jingwanya shimbenta lang jong u assistant commissioner ka Ri Bhoi district uba e marthong lambat ki he officer na katanat pulit katanat ka khoi ke kya fire and emergency services Bhoi rumbang CNRD block kinong tre ka shlong airport umroi bat kiwei
I'd like to inform every one of you that the search and rescue operation at airport has been completed successfully. And I congratulate everyone, all the departments involved, for successfully completing the search and rescue operation here at airport. Today's mock drill here at airport is not just a routine exercise, but is an exercise to prepare every one of us. As we all know that disaster does not give a notice before coming. It comes unexpectedly, and in those first few minutes of a disaster, if you are confused, then confusion can cost lives. However, if you are prepared, if you are aware, then coordinated efforts can help save and protect those precious lives.